Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Star World TV. In this video, we will prepare your computer for Python programming. We will download Python, install it correctly, set up Visual Studio Code, install the Python extension, create our first Python file, and run our first program. Do not worry. I will explain everything slowly and simply, step by step. First, open your browser and search for Python download. Always download Python from the official website, python.org. This is important because official websites are safer and give you the correct installer. On the downloads page, choose the Windows download button. This file will be used to install Python on your computer. Now open the Python installer. This is the most important part of the whole setup. Before clicking install now, make sure the option add python.exe to path is selected. Path allows Windows, command prompt, and Visual Studio Code to find Python easily. If you skip this option, Python may install, but commands may not work later. After selecting it, click install now and wait until the setup is complete. Now we will confirm that Python is installed correctly. Open command prompt and type python -- version. If you see the Python version, it means Python is working. Then type pip -- version. Pip is the package installer for Python. Later, we will use pip to install libraries and tools. If both commands show versions, your Python installation is successful. Next, we need a code editor. Open your browser and search for Visual Studio Code download. Go to the official Visual Studio Code website and download the Windows version. Visual Studio Code is free, professional, and very popular for Python programming. After downloading it, open the installer and keep the normal default settings. After installing Visual Studio Code, open it. Now go to Extensions from the left side menu. Search for Python and install the Python extension by Microsoft. This extension helps VS Code understand Python. It gives code suggestions, highlights mistakes, helps with debugging, and makes running Python files easier for beginners. Now create a folder for practice, for example Python-practice. Open this folder inside Visual Studio Code. Create a new file and name it main.py. Remember, Python files must end with .py. Now write this simple line. Print, open bracket, quote, hello Star World TV, quote, close bracket. Open the terminal and run Python main.py. If the terminal shows hello Star World TV, congratulations, your first Python program is running. Finally, let us understand common beginner problems. If command prompt says Python is not recognized, it usually means add Python to path was not selected. If VS Code cannot run your file, select the Python interpreter from VS Code. And if your file is saved as main.txt, rename it to main.py. Great job! Your Python and VS Code setup is complete. In the next video, we will write our first real Python program. Subscribe to Star World TV and continue learning step by step.